I've been thinking, it's like we're finally moving from just experimenting with generative AI to actually reinventing businesses by 2025. It's
Yeah,
about time, right?
definitely. But hasn't generative AI been around for a bit?
Well,
What's
yeah.
making 2025 so special?
Well, it's interesting. Since ChatGPT launched over 2 years ago, companies have been kind of dabbling with AI, but we haven't seen it truly
Right.
transform business processes yet.
So they've been hesitant to fully commit?
Exactly. So far, it's been low effort applications, like chatbots that just, pull answers from manuals.
Yep.
Helpful, but not game changing.
But things are changing now?
Yes, companies are investing in foundational capabilities that could unlock hyper personalized experiences by 2025. It's like
That's
they're
exciting.
finally gearing up for real impact.
Can you give some examples of these transformative use cases?
Sure, in life sciences, AI is accelerating drug and vaccine development. It's
Oh,
speeding up
that's
innovation
huge.
significantly.
And what about healthcare in general?
Well, emotional AI could revolutionize mental health diagnoses by analyzing unstructured data.
Interesting.
Genuine benefits for patients.
How about manufacturing?
They're automating supply chains, boosting efficiency, and helping navigate geopolitical and environmental pressures.
Right, that makes sense. Financial services must be seeing changes too?
Absolutely. Hedge funds are using generative AI to outperform human analysts in stock predictions, and compliance
Seriously?
functions are evolving with AI automating data management.
So AI is making waves across industries, but aren't there still obstacles?
Definitely. Challenges are still there, but they're more surmountable now.
hmm
Companies need to balance efficiency with customer experience.
Do you think AI can ever fully replace human interaction?
Some might think so as agentic AI becomes more convincing, but
Hmm,
I believe people still crave the human touch.
I have to challenge you on that. With technology advancing, some customers prefer quick AI responses over waiting for a human.
That's a fair point.
Yeah,
Maybe it's about finding the right balance between AI and human interaction.
exactly. So it's not all or nothing.
Totally agree. But without good data, AI can't do much. Garbage
Right.
in, garbage out, as they say.
So companies need to focus on data quality?
Yes, they need unified data views, and AI can help through metadata management and integration.
Okay. And compliance will be important too?
Absolutely. Compliance will become ambient, built into processes automatically.
That's smart. But do you think all companies are ready for this shift?
Some might still be lagging. They need to get their data in order.
Right.
Without AI ready data, they can't fully leverage AI's potential.
It's like trying to drive a sports car on a dirt road.
Haha, exactly. You won't get the performance you expect.
Exactly. Well, it's exciting to think about where we'll be by 2025.
Definitely. The future looks bright, and I'm eager to see companies take those decisive steps.
Me too. But we should also stay cautious, right?
Of course, it's important to integrate AI thoughtfully, keeping the human element in mind.
Yeah.
Balance is key.
Well, here's to an AI enabled future.
Cheers to that! It's going to be fascinating to watch it all unfold.